this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Nintendo Switch cannot download. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Go to System Settings, Internet and Internet Settings, and make sure that you're connected. If the connection is weak, simply restart your router. The other thing you want to do is go to status.nintendo.com and make sure that all the server status is optional or operational and running. If that is not the case, you need to go ahead and have a free space to download anything. Make sure that you have unused software or saved data. Make sure that you have available space and delete unused software or saved data. If that is not the case, if your download is if your download is already processing but stuck, try pausing the download and redoing it again. The other thing you want to try to do is restart your Nintendo and then turn it on and try it again. Make sure that your date and time is already on synchronized clock via internet, because this will cause problems later on. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and update your system. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.